Alright, I think that's it, everyone. If you could just sign on to the swims and we can get you out.
Just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find. Instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety?
This is probably something you've all seen on a job site. A row of swims and a row of workers just scribbling their name on each one and not reading what is in the swims. To some workers, they're seen as mundane, full of useless information and something that isn't worth noting day to day. Don't just sign it. You're the one about to do that work. Check it. Chat something through with your supervisor, then, if you're happy, sign it. A swims is like an agreement, and the best outcome is when the worker and the supervisor work together on a swims to achieve the highest possible safety outcomes.
Hey, it looks like there's going to be plant operating near the dig that wasn't there yesterday. Do you think we should have a spotter?
Look, to be honest, I think it'd be alright for the first 2 hours, but just a precautionary, let's add it into the swims and we need a spotter in regards to the mobile plant. Yeah, thanks for that. Appreciate
No worries,
it.
just thought it was worth mentioning.
Before starting any high-risk construction work, a Safe Work Method Statement, or SWMS, must be prepared, reviewed and signed off. It identifies hazards, assesses risks and outlines control measures. Consult everyone involved to ensure controls are adequate and review the SWMS if work changes. It's your plan for getting everyone home safe.
Hey, just having a look at this, I think we can do one better. Why don't we head over to Zone 4 and work it through from there?
You know what? I reckon let's go. Yep.